How to turn on save and fail payment methods. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on save and fail payment methods on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there, click on setting, scroll down and click on payment methods. Now turn on the first option, which is save and fail payment methods. Now fill in payment form with your saved payment method, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.